Hi, this is Alex from Internet Wealth Secret, right? So in this review video, this is about cloud app for online storage, right? It's called CloudSquad, right? Okay, so if you click the link below this video, you come to my review page of CloudSquad web. Okay, so if you click any of the button inside, it will take you to this Cloud Squad what we call it the sales page of the CloudSquad. So it said all new 2-in-1 cloud storage and drive app allow you to store backup and share and host file and videos. So this basically is one-time price that you can get for less than I think less than 20 baht, 14 baht for starting price. You can get a full functional online cloud. Like okay, whereby you can store all your file, backup all your information, image, video, right, documents, and with the encryption also, right, okay, and it become a single data source or single data storage with one-time one-click third-party sharing enabled, right? You can share the file using the one-click third-party sharing and also Label as a cloud life for easy use and collaboration. You can even collaborate with your team. You're looking for something similar like this, right? I think this is one of the best option you have here without you have to pay for the recurring monthly fee for this CloudSquad. Okay, so look at this CloudSquad, right? All right. Okay, so I am review Squad. This is the price. Sorry, this is $14, right? Launch day is Tuesday and um, so in this CloudSquad review, CloudSquad is an all-in-one platform that allows users to store, backup, share, and host file on video on ultra-fast server. And running on ultra-fast server, unbeatable one-time price, and you save big money by helping to replace a lockbox, Wistia, Amazon S3, and spread out the website by hosting image, video, and also deliver content like image and video and just upload your website image. Okay, everything can be uploaded here. If we actually you don't have to store locally to your PC. And so what your customer can do, backup, store, host, and share, right? So 100% protected data with end-to-end SSL encryption, right? Okay, right. So this is some of the 3 steps you need to follow. Yep. Okay. And there are some video demo I put together here also. So in the front end, there's a 14 node, and this is unlimited media file storage. Get started with your storage journey and double up your account, right, for easy use and collaboration. Auto storage expansion, right, and 100% protection, backup all information, and 20 to 64-bit encryption. This is enhanced security and full file statistics and private and public folders option. You can have a private and public folder, enable watermarking on preview for password protection, and come with commercial license. Mean to say, if you buy this enhanced security, you can actually sell the space to your client. All right, we will move your file and data to cloud. Cloud asset is as per we wish. Right? Okay, this is help you to move your data from other place to the cloud. Okay, and this get our 3 best-selling product hosting email auto webinar survey with commercial, right? Okay, technology, right? So this is how we are going to get 250 account for CloudSquad agency license, and they sell cloud squad and get all the profit, right? Okay, right. So this is OTO, and also I have some this up also in this viewpoint here, and this come with 30-day money back guarantee, right? Okay, so if you get this cloud app, so I've actually prepared a lot of bonuses that come together. So if you get the front end and any of the OTO, they are entitled to get my first and second special bonus, my own product, PFY money list, right? 50,000 now for you, my money on that subscriber. You are ready to send them promote any affiliate product. Okay, special bonus to my own product also. I am PLR Vault, and also 6,000 PLR ebook and video in FE and OTO also, right? Also, this is exclusive tutorial how to use a CloudSquad to make money. So this is exclusive tutorial I put together with the exclusive tip how to make money using this CloudSquad. I think in the OTO one you can actually come with commercial license. So how you want to go about that, right? There's a way how to do that. So learn from my bonuses, right? So I have this bonus tool, 50,000 SEO tools. This is SEO tool. You can use it to keep track of SEO issue and how to improve the visibility of your website in search engine, and social media marketing tool on the cloud app. Also Excel share, and you can also auto post, schedule Instagram posts along with Facebook and Twitter, right? And exclusive list building training with 100 free solo ad click, and also by the end of this training you are actually giving 100 free solo ad click, whereby you can actually submit a link to this solo ad and start making money out of this solo ad. And also YouTube hack 2021, and also YouTube channel SEO, and this is a trick and method I have been using to promote and rank my YouTube channel. And also we have this high ticket system and learn how to make high ticket sell high ticket product and make high ticket commission. And this is also super affiliate secret. This is how to become a super affiliate, how to make the most of you and also generate more affiliate upsell. And using this method also super affiliate software funnel. This is a sales faithfully promoted. This come with a thank you page, video cost to resell, ebook giveaway, and full reseller light also. And also online king, this come with the full reseller light access to 6 membership site, and include the email king, funnel king, and social king, and you can sell this access to your client, right? Okay. And videos library giveaway 250 video, you can actually use it to promote your blog site giveaway for engagement, build a membership site. There are a lot where you can make money out of this. And it's also product launch attack. This is how to get JV partner to onboard what you need to do, and also make the most of your launch, right? Okay, so Instagram for entrepreneur, and you have the YouTube sponsored income, how to make money profit for Instagram, and also how to make profit from YouTube channel, blog and print Automator, ethical but important. This is also very two important key tools. You can use it to help you in your WordPress blog, and also find conversion tool to get more lead and sales. How imagine you can convert more lead and sales using this extra conversion tool. And Smarty Builder is an e-commerce site builder, and also we have this 250k funnel kit is click funnels. You have to pay $99 for click funnel, but you're getting this 250k funnel kit free from me, right? And we have the Eastway Spa video creation app for more traffic, lead, and sales. And we have this bulk engage bulk creation app for more traffic, lead, and sales. Also, we have the wallet traffic cloud app, how to actually or trigger your own wallet traffic, right? And also we have the Smart iShop affiliate store builder, right? And we have this 15 free traffic method you don't know. And also we have this SuccessPay underground traffic source, right? Again, there's a free training how to make money without you selling anything, and Journal TikTok traffic app, and also Journal's Instagram traffic app. Also 200 special bonus bundle all come together for the price of $14. You are getting all these bonuses just for the price of $14, but provided you take fast action today, click the link below this video, and you actually are able to get all my bonuses together with this CloudSquad. Okay, have a look into this 200 mega bonus bundle. Also in here you're going to get 3,000 emails, right? And 100 keyword subject line, complete email marketing video training called over 100 traffic software. Also we have this learn for you opt-in and lead management capture page. Also make money on the video training called from Journal and this Brandon. You come together under this active make money on the video training courses. Everything is for the price of $14, but I have only very limited bonuses for the first 30 first come first person. And take fast action today, click the link below this video, and you are able to come to my CloudSquad review page and click off all things orange button to grab all the bonuses and have this early bird price of only $14. So imagine You can have online storage, unlimited online storage for one-time price. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay the current fee to other online storage, right? Which actually they are charging the current fee, and you can ultimately have all your information, whether it's a video, whether it's a audio file, whether it's any document, any image file, can be stored in one single place. I think with the ability to do collaboration and sharing, right? Okay. So before I actually end today's walkthrough on this CloudSquad, let me quickly show to you inside this how it will look like. So when you actually bought this CloudSquad, this is a demo of the system, right? So this is what you're going to see here. So let me also show to you here, okay? So you can have a look here. All this is a folder, and any folder, and you can actually set it as a public or private, or we can have a password protection. It's really friendly, and you maybe can actually turn on or turn off the watermark also, right? Okay. Then you can again drag and drop or upload the file you want to actually store inside this online cloud app, right? Okay, very simple, very user friendly to use, right? Okay, so then you can actually also some can have this MP4 the video file, right? Okay, you can play the video file inside here, and you can share the link also. Okay, there's a like link statistic info page, right? It can be easily shared by just post it on the browser, so you can do the sharing here, right? Okay, right? You can view the file, right? Okay, so everything can be easily done. Host and play video anywhere. Okay, so that's what you see, right? Okay. Okay, so can directly download the file also, right? You can view the file, and there's a couple of others features that come together directly download the file, and you can have the video embed code. You can embed the code into any of your website. You can even have this statistic of the download on the file, and statistic visitor who come to download the particular file video. All the stats can be seen here also, right? And again, this is you can actually copy the URL to clipboard, and you can actually have a view of all these folder inside here, and you can easily also access the folder from any of this can access password, right? So you can set the access password, so you can share the whole folder to the people who you can allow them to access the folder by giving them the password, and you can set the sharing option, whether you can share via the social media, or you can upload or download and view, and this is a view only. You can set the right permission of the particular folder or the file, right? Okay, so that is pretty cool and very user friendly, right? Okay, right, so we have this account setting and API, right? It can unlimited, okay, all this it can be so for one-time price you can have everything in one single platform, one online storage to store all kind of your file. So that's basically what CloudSquad is able to provide you. So that's for section today, and click the link below this video and grab all my bonuses, more than 250 bonuses, right? It costs around 10,000 for all these bonuses, right? Okay, so thanks for section, and grab all these all my bonuses together with the access to CloudSquad, right? Okay, I believe this CloudSquad is going to help you to save a lot of expenses in terms of online storage, and don't have to spend the current fee, the current cost for your online storage engine, and you can actually have all your file stored and backup or protected in the same single platform without any risk of losing your file, or can actually set the protection and security profile. Everything can be done inside one single place, right? All right, for only one-time cost, right? Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.